Now in this video, unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to provide any solution if you need to hard reset the Nokia C110. But if you're willing to buy the phone, or if you already purchased the phone, I'm going to warn you about something very important and you need to pay attention. This is Variety Stick. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't. Give me a thumbs up. And without any further ado, let's find out. Now, security is very important, especially when you purchase a new phone. You need to secure your phone because it's very personal and you don't want anyone to get into your phone. So simply you go and put a lock screen. Sometimes, for whatever reason, you forget the lock screen, or maybe one of your kids did it for you or someone else. For whatever reason, then you don't have access to the phone because you need to remember exactly the same pattern or password that you have entered on the phone. Most of the phones, we have no problem because we can do hard reset, which is we do factory reset through the recovery menu. Now, this phone specifically and some other Nokia phone share the same problem, that this phone has no recovery mode and you can't even factory reset if you get locked with password or pattern. For instance, if I try to unlock the phone has pattern right now. If I don't remember what it is, so most likely the phone is gone. You cannot retrieve, at least on the meantime. You can't even unlock the phone, then the phone has no use and you have to purchase another device. I want to pay your attention about this because I normally provide hard reset for all cell phones. So pay attention because this is very important for you. When you purchase phone, if you want to secure the phone, make sure you always know how to get back to your phone. Other than that, fortunately, it's not going to be any solution and most likely you're going to lose the phone. At least on the meantime, I will see if Nokia will send update and put recovery mode back on the phone, or if I can try to search more, because I have done big search of the internet. I did not find any way to perform hard reset. So I wish you good luck and I wish this never happened to your phone and lose your phone completely. If this happened, then it is what it is. I hope I provide good information for you. If you were planning to buy this phone, I would say stay away. If you already purchased, be careful about the password. That was very much it. Thank you so much for watching. As always, guys, make sure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up. We'll talk to you in the next video.